Hey, hey, Hoodie here. Have you ever had a ship and think,
There has to be so much stuff about this ship. I'll look it up.
and there is no fan art or fanfics about it? I sure as hell do. What's the ship, you may be asking? Well, it's... No. No, I'm absolutely not saying that.
What do you mean? It's the script. You have to read it.
I mean what I said. I ain't reading this shit.
You signed up for this. This is your first rant.
I signed up for normal shit, not this.
Omega! Get back here! If you leave right now, I swear to... Sigh. Guess I'll have to get one of the others to do this. I should have never believed in him. I'm sorry y'all had to deal with that. Well, that's all. Bye-bye, Hoodie. Disconnecting.